Hello guys, in this video I will teach you how to use the replace method. So the replace method allows to replace a string with another string. Alright, let's first define a variable, example var1. Let's give it the string value, for example Paul plays football. Okay, now what we need to do is to print var1. Let's print it. Okay, now let's run our code. Okay, as you can see, we have a result here. Paul plays football. Now let's for example decide to replace the name Paul with another name. So in order to do so, we need to use the replace method. So but before that, we define two variables, for example var c to get an input from the user. Current value to be replaced. For this variable, we ask the user to specify the input, the value actually that need to be replaced. And let's define another variable var n, for example. And now let's ask the user for the new value to be replaced. Please enter the new value. Alright, so we're going to need to define another variable, for example var2. Now we can use the replace method. Place, and inside the parentheses we put var c and then var n. Alright, now we can print var2 and put some space here so you can see. Okay, now let's run our code. First get here Paul plays football, then we are asked to give the current value. We need to change the string, we need to change here. Let's say it's Paul. Then we need to enter the new value that will replace Paul. Let's say for example James. Let's use James for example. Alright, so now let's see. The final result is James plays football. James plays football. So Paul was replaced by James. That's how we can use the replace method. I hope you got some value from this video. Feel free to like, share and comment. Thank you. Bye.